Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is me, host Prajwal, and this is a quick guide on how to use Metamask with Pancakeswap or how to use Metamask with Binance Smart Chain applications. So let's get started. I would like to mention that all the steps that I'm showing you is on a PC or a plugin on a browser, but the process to do this or to add a network on your mobile app or mobile MetaMask is exactly the same. You can follow the same steps and add a network or connect that MetaMask to Pancakeswap or Binance Smart Chain with the same process. Before I start, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this was helpful. If you have any questions or any queries, please leave it in the comments below or reach out to me on my Twitter handle, One Life Investment. Right, so let's get into the video. So Metamask supports any EVM compatible chain as well, Pancakeswap being one of them. Other chains are Avalanche, Phantom. If you want to learn how to connect your Metamask to Phantom, the video will be in the top right corner as a playlist or in the description as well. There's three different ways or three main ways you can do this. The first is you can do it automatically with a service such as Chainlistorg, or you can use any of the dApps that is on Binance Smart Chain. You can just connect your MetaMask to that and that will automatically add that chain or that network. Or you can do it manually as well by adding the network yourself and inputting all the information that's required. I prefer to do it manually every time. I'm not comfortable connecting my wallet to any third-party website except for the service I'm using. So meaning you can, if you don't want to do it manually, you can do it directly from Pancakeswap to Finance or any other dApp or any other applications that is in the Binance Smart Chain. So I'm just going to go through all of them regardless, and you can just choose whatever you want to do. The first is Chainlist.org. You can go to this, you can go to, and first you unlock your wallet. As you can see, my wallet is unlocked, and then you connect your wallet to this website and click on next, click on connect. Right, and this has not just Pancakeswap or Binance Smart Chain, but it has all the EVM compatible networks. So you can just search for Binance Smart Chain or BSC. They have two of them. So one is this is a test net and this is the main net. So what you need to do after you've done that is click on Add to Metamask, and it's asking you for the permission. Click on Approve, click on Switch Network. And if you click on MetaMask now, and as you can see on the top, it says Binance Smart Chain, and as you can see, the logo has come up as well. That's the first way. The second way to do it is directly from Pancakeswap to Finance. So if you go to Pancakeswap to Finance or any other trusted website that runs on Binance Smart Chain, do not connect your wallet to any random website because your funds or your wallet will be at risk. Because when you connect your wallet, you're basically giving that website the access or approval to your wallet, and they can do different sorts of things with their wallet or your funds. Once you are at Pancakeswap or Finance, click on Connect Wallet, select MetaMask, and it's asking you for permission. Click on Next, click on Connect. It will give you the request to allow the site to add a network. Click on Approve, click on Switch Network, and as you can see, it is connected. So that's how you can connect MetaMask to Pancakeswap using the Pancakeswap interface itself. All right, so the third step is to do everything manually. This is the process that I use. Regardless of how trusted the website is or how trusted any service is, all the chains or all the networks will have the documents for you to access or set up the network by yourself. For example, Pancakeswap has their own documents or guide for you to connect your MetaMask, either it's on phone or on a PC, to the network. This is true for all the networks as well. I'll leave all the links in the description as well, so you can just follow that if you decide to do it manually. So what you need to do is first bring up this document, click on MetaMask. It's showing you for the phone first. Scroll down and go to MetaMask, and once you have the information, go to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have the information, open your plugin, MetaMask plugin, click on the network tab and click on Add Network. This will take you to the page where you can add a network manually. And it's asking you to add a name. If you go back to the page, you'll have all the information here, network name. So always make sure that you copy and paste, never type anything, right? Because you never know, sometimes you might type something wrong. URL, RPC URL, copy that, paste. Chain ID, 56, got a symbol, BNB, and the Explorer, right? And save. And once you've saved it, as you can see, it is changed, and I have ETH and I have Binance Smart Chain as well. So now you can go to Pancakeswap. If I refresh the page and I click on Connect Wallet, as you can see, my wallet is connected to Pancakeswap. So that's how you use MetaMask with Pancakeswap or That's how you connect your MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain. As always, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, as that helps out the channel a lot. If you want to be notified on future uploads, so hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. And if you have any questions or any queries, please leave them in the comments below. Until then, you have a nice day and thank you for being here.